How to uninstall TeraBox application. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So you can uninstall TeraBox application by two ways. So first way is open up your Play Store, then tap on the search bars, then tap on the search icon. Now click on the search box. Now search for TeraBox. Now tap on TeraBox and click on uninstall. Now tap on uninstall. Now the other now, oth- now the other method is go back to your home screen. Now open up settings, click on apps, tap on app management. Now scroll down to find TeraBox. Tap on it and click on uninstall. Now tap on OK to delete the application. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about a social topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.